Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Plant-based meals are gaining popularity, and it's easy to see why. Many of us are looking for convenient, nutritious options that fit our busy lives. We want food that tastes good and keeps us energized without a lot of fuss. That's where the Quinoa Chickpea Power Bowl comes in. It's a delicious and simple solution for anyone needing a quick, healthy meal. This bowl offers sustained energy and a wealth of nutrients, perfect for lunch or dinner. It's also incredibly versatile, making it ideal for meal prep and various dietary preferences, including vegetarian and vegan diets. Why a power bowl? The benefits of quinoa and chickpeas. Our Quinoa Chickpea Power Bowl is more than just a meal. It's a strategic blend of ingredients designed to fuel your body effectively. We call it a power bowl because its core components, quinoa and chickpeas, are packed with essential nutrients. Together, they create a balanced, satisfying meal that provides sustained energy and supports overall wellness. Let's explore what makes these two ingredients so crucial. Quinoa, a complete protein powerhouse. Quinoa stands out in the plant-based world for a good reason. It is one of the few plant foods that contains all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it a complete protein, a rare find for those following a vegetarian or vegan diet. Your body needs these amino acids for muscle repair and growth. Beyond protein, quinoa offers many other benefits. High fiber content. This aids digestion and helps you feel full longer. Rich in micronutrients. It provides important minerals like iron and magnesium. Packed with B vitamins. These are essential for energy production. Naturally gluten-free. This makes it a great choice for those with gluten sensitivities. Quick to cook. You can have a batch ready in about 15 minutes, perfect for busy schedules. Adding quinoa means you are boosting your bowl with quality protein and a range of vital nutrients, all in a convenient, easy-to-digest grain. Chickpeas, fiber, protein, and fantastic flavor. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are another star in our power bowl. They are an excellent source of plant-based protein, working alongside quinoa to provide a substantial protein boost. They also deliver a significant amount of dietary fiber. This fiber is important for digestive health and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Chickpeas are rich in several key nutrients, including folate, important for cell growth and function. Manganese, plays a role in bone health and metabolism. Iron, necessary for oxygen transport in the body. These legumes contribute a wonderful, nutty flavor and a satisfying texture to your meal. They help you feel full and content long after you've finished eating, preventing those mid-afternoon energy slumps. When combined with quinoa, chickpeas create a robust nutritional foundation for a truly powerful meal. Crafting your perfect power bowl, essential components. Building a superb quinoa and chickpea power bowl goes beyond just the main ingredients. Think of it as constructing a delicious, balanced meal from the ground up. Each layer adds to the flavor, texture, and nutritional value. Let's break down the core elements that will turn your simple bowl into a truly satisfying experience. The base, fluffy quinoa perfection. The foundation of your power bowl needs to be light and fluffy quinoa. Getting it right ensures a pleasant texture that absorbs other flavors without becoming mushy. Here is how to achieve quinoa perfection every time. Rinse thoroughly. Put your quinoa in a fine mesh sieve and rinse it under cold running water for about 30 seconds. This removes saponin, a natural coating that can taste bitter. The right ratio. Combine 1 cup of rinsed quinoa with 2 cups of liquid in a saucepan. While water works, using vegetable broth infuses extra flavor into every grain. Simmer and cover. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pan tightly, and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Avoid lifting the lid during this time. Rest and fluff. After 15 minutes, remove the pan from the heat but keep it covered for another 5 minutes. This steaming period lets the quinoa absorb any remaining liquid. Finally, uncover and fluff with a fork. You will see individual, light grains ready for your bowl. The protein punch, perfectly prepared chickpeas. Chickpeas are not just for filling. They add a wonderful texture and contribute significantly to your bowl's protein content. You have options when it comes to preparing them. Canned chickpeas. For convenience, use canned chickpeas. Drain them well and rinse thoroughly under cold water to remove excess sodium and any canning liquid flavor. From scratch. If you prefer, cook dried chickpeas from scratch. This gives you more control over their texture and seasoning. To elevate their flavor and add a delightful crunch, consider these seasoning and cooking methods. Roasted. Toss rinsed chickpeas with a tablespoon of olive oil and seasonings like cumin, paprika, and garlic powder. Spread them on a baking sheet and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for 20 to 25 minutes, or until crispy. Pan-fried. Heat a little olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add the seasoned chickpeas and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally, until slightly golden and crisp. Vibrant veggies, a rainbow of nutrients. This is where your power bowl truly comes alive with color and nutrients. Including a variety of vegetables ensures a wide spectrum of vitamins and minerals. Think about adding roasted sweet potatoes or bell peppers. Roasting brings out their natural sweetness and creates a tender texture. Steamed broccoli or kale. Steaming keeps these greens vibrant and preserves their nutritional value. Fresh spinach, cherry tomatoes, or cucumber. These add a refreshing, crisp contrast to the cooked elements. Consider using seasonal vegetables for the best flavor and nutritional punch. Different cooking methods also offer varied textures. For example, the tenderness of roasted vegetables pairs well with the crispness of fresh greens. This contrast makes each bite interesting. Flavorful finish, dressings, toppings, and herbs. The final layer is crucial for tying all the components together. Dressings, toppings, and fresh herbs elevate your power bowl from good to truly great. They provide that zing and additional texture that completes the experience. Think about these options to round out your bowl. That's the foundation of our power bowl ready to go. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.